Now we are going to solve exercise 2.2 question number 40. Right here, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Right. So therefore, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Right. She has a currency note of denomination 100, 50 and 10. So लक्ष्मी के पास तीन टाइप के नोट, 100 के, 50 के और 10 के. और that ratio of number of this note is 2 jam 3 jam 5. मतलब इस नोट का रेशियो क्या है? 2 jam 3 jam 5. I hope many times I have told you, if it is ratio is given, then you have to assume 2x, 3x and 5x. Right? So Lakshmi is a cashier in the bank. She has a note of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees, and ratio of this note will be 2 jam 3 jam 5. That means first will be 100 rupees note. That means number of 100 rupees note is equal to, we have to assume 2x. Am I right? So let number of 100 rupees note is equal to how much? Is equal to 2x. Number of rupees 50 note is equal to 3x, and number of rupees 10 note is equal to 5x. Right? And total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many note of each denomination she have? That means total cash is equal to 4 lakh. That means if we have, हमारे पास 100 रुपीज की दो नोट हुई तो हमारे कितने रुपीज हो गए होंगे? 200 हो गए. 5 होगी तो 500 हो गए. That means if we have x, that means जितनी भी नोट है उसको मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय दैट रुपीज नोट. राइट? मतलब 100 की नोट हो तो जितनी भी नोट हो उसे 100 से गिनना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स 5 नोट हो तो 100 into 5 दैट इज 500. 10 नोट हो 100 की तो कितने रुपीज हो गए? 1000. अब x नोट हो तो कितने रुपीज होंगे? मल्टीप्लाई बाय x दैट इज इक्वल टू 100x. एम आई राइट? और नंबर ऑफ नोट 2x होंगे तो कितने रुपीज होंगे? 200x. एम आई राइट? दैट मीन्स रुपीज in, we will directly write that. Now it is number of 50 rupees note is 3x. That means rupees will be equal to 50 into 3x, and this will be equal to 10 into 3x. Total cash is 4 lakh rupees. Am I right? So therefore 100 into 2x, that means that इतनी नोट के पैसे 100 रुपीज में है. दैट मीन 2x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, इतने कैश हो गए 100 रुपीज में. 3x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50, इतने रुपीज 50 की नोट में होंगे. और 5x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, इतने रुपीज 10 रुपीज में होंगे. दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 लाख. Right? So 2 multiplied by, so this is equal to 2x, 200x. This will be equal to 150x plus this will be equal to 50x, and that is equal to 4 lakh. Right? So this will be equal to 200 plus 150 is equal to 350. 350 plus 50, that is equal to 400x. So total will be equal to 400x, that is equal to 4 lakh. Right? Therefore, x is equal to 4 lakh upon 1000 upon 400. So this 0 will get cancelled. 4 1000s are. So x is equal to 1000. That means number of 100 rupees note here we have to assume number of 100 rupees note, that is 2x, here it will be 3x, and here it will be 5x, right? So number of 100 rupees note is equal to 2x. That means 2 multiplied by 1000, so that is equal to 2000. So those 100 रुपए की नोट कितनी है? 2000, right? Number of 50 rupees note is equal to 3x. 3 multiplied by 3000 मतलब 3000, right? And number of rupees 10 note will be equal to 5 into x, that means 5 into 1000, 5000, right? Okay. Now question 15 we are going to solve. Now this sum will be the same type of sum but थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. यहाँ नॉट की जगह कॉइन दिया हुआ है, मतलब लॉजिक तो वही हुआ, ठीक है. नाउ आई हैव अ टोटल ऑफ 300 रुपीज कॉइन in the coin of denomination of 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. That means total cash is equal, sorry, total amount of money is equal to rupees 300. Am I right? But which is in the denomination of, लेकिन मेरे पास 1 रुपी, 2 रुपी और 5 रुपए के ही कॉइन है, समझ में आया? और उसका टोटल क्या है? 300 रुपीज है मेरे पास in the denomination of 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupees, right? Now the number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coin. That means 2 रुपए coin की number of 2 rupee coin is 5 rupee coin से 3 गुना ज्यादा है. That means if 5 rupee coin is 5, then 2 rupee coin will be 15. If it is 15, then it is number of 2 rupee coin will be 45. That means number of 5 rupee coin is 5. Then number of 2 rupee coin will be 15. If number of 5 rupee coin will be x, then we have to multiply that by x. Sorry, multiply that by 3. So number of 2 rupee coin will be 3x. Am I right? So first we have to assume number of 5 rupee coin is equal to x, right? और हमें दिया गया है from given data number of rupee 2 coin will be 3 times it, right? So that means 3 multiplied by number of 5 rupee coin, rupees 5 coins. So that is equal to 3 multiplied by x. So that is equal to 3x, right? Total number of coin will be equal to 160. that means total number of coin is 160. मतलब number of 5 rupee coin plus number of 2 rupee coin plus number of 1 rupee coin is equal to how much? 160. That means number of total number of coin क्या है? 160. That means number of 2 rupee coin plus number of 1 rupee coin plus number of 5 rupee coin, that is equal to 160. That means number of rupee 1 coin plus number of rupees 2 coin plus number of rupees 5 coin, that is equal to 160. This we have to use for finding the number of 1 rupee coin, right? So number of 1 rupee coin we don't know. Plus number of 2 rupee coin, right? Now we have to find the number of 2 rupee coin will be 3x and number of 5 rupee coin will be x, that is equal to 160, right? So therefore number of rupee 1 coin is equal to 4x, that is equal to 160. So therefore number of rupees 1 coin will be 160 minus 4x. Now as we know that total I have a 300 rupees coin. So total I have how many rupees? Total I have rupees 300, right? That means number of how much money I have in the form of 1 rupee coin, that is 1 multiplied by 160 minus 4x. So this will be equal to 160 minus 4x. इतने रुपीस मेरे 1 रुपए में, 2 के कितने होंगे? 2 multiplied by 3x and plus 5 into x, that is equal to 160 minus 4x, right? Therefore this will be equal to 160 minus 4x plus 3 to the 6x, 5x, that is equal to 160 minus 4x, right? Sorry, that is equal to rupees 300. So this will be equal to rupees 300, right? Now minus plus minus, so 4x plus 6x is equal to 2x, 2x plus 5x is equal to 7x, and this 160 will go on this side. So 300 minus 160, so therefore 7x is equal to 140. So therefore x is equal to 140 by 7, and that is equal to 20. So that means number of rupee 1 coin will be 160 minus 4x, and that is equal to 160 minus 4 into 1, right? Sorry, 4 into 20. So this will be equal to 160 minus 80. So this will be 80 rupees coin. 80 coin will be there of 1. Now number of 2 rupee coin. Number of rupee 2 coin, that is equal to 3x. 3 multiplied by 20, so this will be equal to 60. And number of rupees 5 coin, that is x, and that is equal to 20. So 1 रुपये के कॉइन कितने हैं 80, 2 रुपये के 60 और 5 रुपीज के कितने 20, राइट.